Hey guys, today I was gonna unbox the Homech tower fan, but as you can tell, it's huge, so I kind of had to already unbox it, just so I could show you guys the main features and stuff. Um, that light doesn't look like that normally, it just looks like that on camera. It looks fine. So you have your on, and it's blowing right now. You can see the speed, which you can increase. Um, let's see, right there, that's a good view. You can also change the style, which the style will change it, I guess, make it seem like it's like ocean waves and stuff like that. So, or like forests, I guess. See, like for sleeping mode, which I guess this one, if you're going to sleep, this one feels is better. You can set a timer how long you're gonna have it on for, and then it'll turn off by itself, which is great, you know, energy saving. And then I guess an auto timer, I guess, and then oscillating, of course. So yeah, this is the Homech tower fan. Like I said, I already unboxed it because it was huge, and it even does come with a little simple remote control, so pretty useful, pretty awesome. Like I said, just wanted to unbox it for you guys, but it was too big, so we'll have to make do. Have a good one. Take care.